So look at the tailpipes. Those jet exhausts can be moved up or down. I don't know how many degrees it is. They never tell you. I think that's probably classified. But it enables the airplane to be agile in a way that no other fighter of its size has ever been. Fully loaded at 60,000 pounds.
Did you hear that?
At 16. Right behind it.
Did you hear that full sync sound?
Yeah. The Shaw Air Force Base, known as Viper East. And Ed, you're pretty happy to have this guy to narrate for us, right?
Yes, sir. It's my pleasure.
Yes, indeed. Fast airplane. You've got some maintenance duties on the airplane as well. What is it that you do as a maintainer of the Viper? For the United States Air Force. Ladies and gentlemen, we're going to take a chance and go live to the cockpit of the B-2 bomber and give them a chance to say hello. Flying the B-2 is Captain Rick Lyon and Captain Jason Ellis. And I will call B-2 bomber. This is the airshow announcer. Good morning, gents. Sir, over. Depth 1-1, you got you're loud and clear here. You want to give a shout out to the folks at Holloman?
Yes, sir. Good morning, Holloman. This is Captain Jason Ellis.
More pass, correct?
We'll be calling out to the north.
Roger that. Thanks for coming on the line with us. After all of Jack Northrop's YB-49s were destroyed, Jack Northrop got out of the aviation business. He tried real estate. He wound up getting Parkinson's disease. All of that took place. The loss of the YB-49 in the competition for the Air Force Intercontinental Bomber took place around 1949. And then and amazingly, the B-2 bomber, known as the Spirit or the Stealth Bomber, had the same wingspan as his original YB-49, 172 feet. Ladies and gentlemen, take a look. This is part of the triad of nuclear-capable long-range bombers for the United States Air Force. It's the B-2.
Probably missed the fire of that.
Absolutely amazing.
Where you just like ching ching.
That's right. Wait till after.
Leaders needed to keep some of their aircraft back for homeland defense instead of projecting that power into the battles in the Pacific. There's the pop-up from low over the ocean. They come over feet dry over the coastland of Japan and they drop their bombs. Ladies and gentlemen, it's the Pacific Power. Jim Terry. Lining up on the 500-foot show line, he'll pull back as he reaches shoreside. Experiencing 7 times the normal pull of gravity. He'll run out of airspeed right about now. He's going to back it up. The power comes off. This is called a tail slide. Watch him swap in very rapidly right about now. Puts it into a right turn spin, and the airplane is flying again. doesn't get much prettier than what we're seeing now. This is just a taste of what we'll see Tim Weber do later on in the show. And he's going to bring it into land in just a couple of seconds. His smoke is off. And you'll get a chance to